Do you know you can make your PDF interactive directly from Adobe Illustrator? Imagine a client clicking a button, a logo, or even a piece of text, and it instantly open up a website, a portfolio, WhatsApp, or even email. Most designers keep this feature because they don't know it exists. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add clickable links to shape to text in Adobe Illustrator and export them as a fully interactive PDF. So let's get started. So this is it, right? Let's say now, this is just a small resume I did. I want to send it to somebody. That's mine actually. So let's say now you want to add links to all this stuff here. Can you see them? You want to add link to this your email, or let's just put this Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. I'm also portfolio. So first of all, let's start with the portfolio. Portfolio, right? So first thing you need to do is just go to Windows, right? Come to look for attribute. You see it here. You can get Control F11 will bring it out for you. That's the shortcut. Although just click on attribute, right? Then you come here, take it to rectangle, right? Then you see URL, right? Quickly go and look for the link. Let me quickly use my Chrome here. I think this is my. Let me check my Behance profile. Okay, then you copy your Behance profile like this, right? Copy it like this. Control C. Then you go back to this place and paste it. Can you see that? So it's already there. So that's good to go already. So we are done with that. Then you can do what you cancel it. Then click on this other one here. Okay, this is already group Instagram. So we want to make it one, right? Then we do what? Go back to same place, attribute, right? Triangle, rectangle. Sorry, rectangle. Then you go back to your Instagram, look for the link. I should have done that, but please just come on the rush. So I don't want to forget the video. Also, Instagram. See that this is my Instagram URL, right? Copy it, Control C. Then you come down here, paste it, and it's there. So you can also do everything here once at the same time. Just come to this icon. I want to add for TikTok also. TikTok, right? So we choose what? Rectangle. You paste it. Good. Now this one and this one I want to link. Let me group them together. So I want it to be one, right? Gabvis. This rectangle. You paste your URL here. Good. So now we have linked. We have added link to portfolio, to the Instagram, to the TikTok, to the YouTube, right? So now let's just export it real quick so we can test what we have done, right? Come here, export as PDF. Let's go. Okay, as PDF, just one page. Let me put Gabvis resume V1 or V2 so that I will know that that's the one that I linked. Okay. If you are finding this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel. I'm currently at 70 subscribers, and every subscriber makes a huge difference. Thank you for your support. So now let's test it every time. Scroll down. So maybe after the person cross-check everything, they will just want to. When you send it to a person, you can let them know that it is clickable. They can quickly go and check you out and everything. So let's say you want to click on this here, Gabvis. Let me duplicate it here first so that I'll be able to come back and do another one. Let's duplicate it into 3 places. So this is the first one, right? Click on Gabvis. Can you see that? It brought me to Instagram. So you can be able to link all this stuff. You don't need to stress yourself. Can you see that? It brought the person to the Instagram instead of going to Instagram and searching. So it's very, very easy. TikTok also. Boom, I'm at my TikTok now. Let me duplicate this one also so it will be 4. Can you see that? It's the network making it to load slow. Then YouTube also, click on it. And you can see as immediately I put my mouse on the name, you can see that I show this URL below. If you can read it by the left down here, I will show it to you properly right now. So the video when you are watching. Can you see that? It brought me to my what? To my Behance. So Very easy. And the network is actually loading on this side and also on YouTube. Okay, I've not logged in here. That's why I've not logged in to this place. That's why it's not showing like this. Well, everything will come up properly. Can you see the Behance? Can you see the, and also the TikTok too is loading network. All right. So if this video helped you in any way, please kindly subscribe, like, and see you in the next video. Bye.